we're about to enter Ballast Strait. This is by far the most tricky part of the trip because of the current in there, multi-year ice.
The experiences here, we've seen a little bit of everything. We came upon a very large ice floe, and the commanding officer, Captain Wayne Duffet, gave me the opportunity to drive his ship. What we have seen here is the way that the ship operates in thick ice like that is the captain will slow the ship as he's approaching the ice, and then as he gets close to that thick ice, he'll apply more power. He'll put on more speed. The ship itself won't pick up a lot of speed, but it will apply that power as the ship moves into the ice. And what actually happens is the ship will ride up onto the ice, and then the ice knife, which is a piece that sticks out from underneath the main portion of the hull, will cut through that ice, and the ship's weight will sink down and break that ice open and find sort of those natural weak points in that ice flow, and that'll allow the ship then to find the safest way to proceed through. Once the ship settles and doesn't move ahead again, then the captain backs up and does that repeatedly until he can make his way through that flow. It has to be done with caution and with patience to make sure that the ship can safely proceed through that ice.
That ice flow served to be terrific for training Commander Tessier in the nuances between multi-year ice and first-year ice. She did a terrific job today, and my hat's off to her.
Well, let's hope that's the last one of those that we see on this trip.
Oh yeah, we had enough of that.
Sometimes you get a shudder throughout the ship. It's an unnerving feeling if you've never experienced it before. It's been a little nerve-wracking driving a ship aground on purpose, which is something I'm not used to doing, and learning just how the Arctic conditions here affect the ship and how we're going to be looking at operating our ships when we come up here in the future.
We're on an icebreaker, so the icebreaker has to provide some icebreaking services to industry. And we've got a couple of ships coming up from Europe that need to get into Pond Inlet.